Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js TypeScript and the TypeORM. Today we are going to learn about the setting up the project environment. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to make sure that you have Node.js installed into your system and the TypeScript, setting up the development environment, project structure for the Node.js and the TypeORM. Okay, so these are the requirements that we have to fulfill. First of all, let's download the Node.js if you don't have. So please make sure the Node.js should be installed. I'm not going to give you the full steps for that one. If you haven't installed it, then you have to watch my videos. Then you come to know about that one. How to check that the Node.js is installed or npm installed or not. Go to the terminal. So any of the terminal, we go with the HTML part. So let's go Control L var www html. Okay, so anything we can open it over here, right? So first of all, check node-v for the node version. There is 20, latest one, and then we have to check the npm version also. Okay, so you can see that we have the npm version. Okay, this is done. Now installing the TypeScript. So you can check, you can install via this npm install global TypeScript, right? And how to check that the TypeScript is there or which version the TypeScript we are using. So just copy and paste this and check that the TypeScript version. So its version is 5.04. Okay, so make sure these are the ways that you have to install the Node.js TypeScript. Okay, and in the coming video we are going to this command install the TypeScript compiler tsc, which will compile the TypeScript into the JavaScript. Okay, after that we will going to setting up the development environment for the project in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.